Hello everybody, and today is the fourth video of unboxing the Panini Adrenalyn XL Road to Russia 2018 Booster Box. So now I'm gonna randomly take my 4 packs. That's 1, 2, 3, and let's take one from the back. 4 and 4. So that's it. I have chosen my 4 packs. I'll tell you the package designs from now. The package designs are Lewandowski, Ronaldo, Ramos, Bale, and Buffon on his last season, 2017-18 season, before he retires. And the other package design is Vidal, Coutinho, Matt Hummels, Messi, and Kevin De Bruyne. So let's get into opening the 4 packs. So now I'm gonna tell you the odds of the packet. So 385 teammates, 31 rising stars. Defensive rocks 1 in 4 packs. Key players 1 in 4 packs. Goal machines 1 in 4 packs. Bank players 1 in 2 packs. Game changers 1 in 6 packs. Experts 1 in 10 packs. And top players 1 in 33 packs. So let's get into the first pack. It's from Russia. So I begin the pack with Robbie Brady. Oh, Mesut Ozil, but very lowly rated there with 81 on the attack. So we got 2 Chinese defensive rock Gary Medel and fans' favorite Vlad Guimarães from Romania. And we got João Mario from Portugal, Radamel Falcao from Colombia, Nani from Portugal, Paulinho from Brazil, and Gianluigi Buffon on his last season, 2017-18 season, from Italy. So now let's get into the second pack. Come on, very easily. So we got Niall McGinn to begin the pack from Northern Ireland, and Harry Kane from England. There we go, our 2 shinies. We got defensive rock Matt Hummels, that's nice, and the game changer Luis Muriel, Felipe Luis from Brazil, Jordan Henderson from England, Mehmet Topal, Bonaventura from Italy, and Gianluigi Buffon again from Italy. So now let's get into the third pack. Got a goalkeeper. So we begin the pack with Michael McGovern, yeah, and then Hilal Sudani, Alexander Cochrane, Martin Odegaard, Miguel Lyon, Gonzalo Higuain, only 1 shiny, Gary Medel, Per Kjeberad, Marcos Rojo, and our last pack. Really something rare and good. So we begin the pack with Corey Evans, Juan Cuadrado, 2 shinies here. So we got Hakan Kahanoğlu, key player, and we have got a top player in Antoine Griezmann from France. That's the rarest card in the rarest subset in the collection. We got Arda Turan also, and Cristiano Ronaldo. This pack is super good. And then we got Joe Ingeberget, Ramiro Funes Mori, and Eric Dyer. So Now, with all the cards we got from today's pack opening, I will make a team. So I got 8 defenders, 16 midfielders, 9 forwards, and 3 goalkeepers. So now I'm going to choose. I am making a 4-3-3 formation. So my goalkeeper out of the 3 would be Gianluigi Buffon. I got 2 of them. Okay. Put them here. And then my 4 at the back will be my left centre back will be Matt Hummels. My right centre back will be Gary Medel. Then my left back will be Marcos Rojo. And then my right back is this guy, Vlad Kiskeris. Okay, so that's it. I chose my defense and my goalkeeper. So now let's see. I really like the picture of Cuadrado's background with the fans behind him. Please comment down below if there is any other card like this in the collection. If you have it. Doesn't have to be if you have it, if you even know. Okay, so my left centre mid will be Joao Mario. My central centre mid will be Arda Turan. My left centre mid will be Hakan Gahanoglu. So now I will choose my front 3. Of course, Antoine Griezmann, top player, is gonna be in it. So that's everybody knows. And Cristiano Ronaldo is our center striker, and our right wing will be Luis Muriel. So that is my team, and all these cards did not make it into the team. So this is my team, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. See ya!